So I'm back from Renault Megane, and this time I'll use this CRC air sensor clean pro whatever else. And I had symptoms, sometimes lose power, especially when idling, and then suddenly the turbo turns off and all sort of error starting. So I will start with the first thing to look there, and this is the air mass sensor, and this is here. So to access it, we have to remove this one, and also lift up this one. Under there is a small bolt. Open this and pull this upwards, and then probably I'll be able to get there and clean this one. So just to remove this as well, the sensor part, so you can take this away a little bit farther away, operate easier there, because you can access this bolt, little one here. Under there, this is 7, and then let's try to open this one. Oh, we'll turn. Okay, so and so I think it will be enough. Make sure it doesn't short anything, and then you should probably wiggle this one so it opens. I will try with both hands and will show you with one hand, but I suggest you to put one hand here, and there's a little of these clips, and grab one side and then grab other side, and then try to grab from there till it moves down. Okay. And then you can see inside the sensor, you see this is air mass sensor. There are some dust inside. We'll see, I'll clean it before dust, and then I will spray this little wire. We open as well this bolt, and one below here, there is the bolt. I think there is no more bolts. Yep, that's about 2 bolts. And remove the sensor. We'll see. We'll try it. If it will not work, I will just work from here. I tell you by using torque 30, but you can use torque 30, 25, whatever. Might be a little bit harder. Try to not break it. Expensive, and better to use original one. And you can see inside. I mean, let's spray this one. Spray it all over. Don't only things, don't touch it with hands or with anything else. The sensor itself. Spray it one more time, and I spread quite a lot like that. And now what I need to do is have to wait till it's just completely dries, and then I can put it back in. And to be honest, this is a lot cheaper than buying the new sensor, because if you will buy not original one, probably it will not work very well. I hear that a lot, so let's see if it will help or not. After this completely dry, put it back. Remember, it was like this, and just make sure you don't damage anything while you're putting this back in. And then you see there's gasket, and put it inside before you put anything else. Make sure it lines nicely, and then slide this one on top of the gasket. Okay, make sure it's lining together with like this, and then just bolt together. I will not show how to bolt because it's very hard to locate this bolt under there, but you kind of have to feel it. Don't drop it here, otherwise it will be really hard to get it if you have a protecting pan under there. And then with those bolts, put this back. Again, it might a little bit hang here. Again, usually get here. Slide this bad boy on top of this one, and just push it. When it's in place, you can see it. Now just bolt this one and put it back to the connectors. Bolt this one, make sure it's tight, doesn't move, looks like it's really nicely there. Then don't forget about putting back all these pieces, and connect the sensor back here. Make sure it doesn't like rip, like I almost ripped this one. Hear the click sound. Put it everything really nice, and put back your cover there and give a test drive. So a couple days have passed, and I'm here with Renault Megane 2, and guess what? Well, the acceleration has improved a lot since I cleaned the air mass sensor, so definitely helped a bit, and probably is something for at least now fixed. So from what I heard, for example, if you have some problems with oil leakage from the intercooler, it's most likely that you can get these vapors as well, like even up to this air mass sensor, and it might get dirty. So cleaning it time to time, it's just a good idea and might help you a lot. And actually the acceleration of car has improved. So before this was like a really slow sometimes start, and it kinda was like that I didn't have like turbo at all, especially if I was idling a lot and being in traffic jams. But right now I test out a lot driving in the hot weather and traffic jams, and the air mass sensor cleaning probably a little bit improved situation, because now it works a lot better than before. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help you a little bit.